I'm Fleur Sybil, Managing Director at Zuster.
And I'm Wilhelmina McCarroll, Creative Director of Zuster.
Adorn is completely unique to the Issy by Zuster range because it takes our customisation to a whole new level. Customers are involved in the design process, so Willie was keen on that too when she designed it, wanting to have customers being able to personalise each of the vanities.
I guess the inspiration is, it's like wearing a really simple, beautiful outfit and you jazz it up with jewellery. So I started out doing a vanity with really nice detailing, like the beading around the outside of the doors, and then the handles become the jewellery. I actually looked at thousands of images of couture dresses and things like that, and there's so many beautiful details in fashion where there's a lot of beading and lacing. It's a more minimalist handle. It's elongated. I think it gives it a really elegant look, just being so simple, and it can be embellished as well with the marble insert. I used a lot of pattern, an overlapping pattern, and then it became like an eclipse. Well, of course we're Dutch heritage, so we just love the shape of the flower and the semicircle and the way it forms, so we made the handle into something similar. Rosette actually came from a geometric pattern which was on a piece of art, so it was just actually honing in on the different detail of the actual geometric pattern. The rosette can also be embellished by the Carrara marble or the Corian handle.
For the first time we're offering undermount basins, and that was driven by a lot of the interior designers that we've worked with for many years, gave us the feedback that they love undermounts and it's such a benefit for the bench space. We were able to create Adorn with a huge upgrade in the technology in our manufacturing facility here in Melbourne. And so what it meant was anything that Willie can design and create, which she's got.
I drive everyone crazy with the amount of prototypes I do.
So anything she can create, we can make. There is so much customisation in the Adorn collection. It speaks to so many different trends and styles.
And I really had different customers in mind when I designed the different types of handles.
As always with Zuster, it's all about the proportions, attention to detail, Australian made, sustainability, locally sourced materials, and the product is built to last the test of time. It's adding design and style to function and making the vanity a centerpiece. But it's also connecting with customers, being involved in the design process, and then living with the vanity as a centerpiece in their bathroom, we believe will be life-changing for them.
We hope so.